Networking opportunities for people working in HEOR or Pharma? It's broken. And look, I know that sounds dramatic, but if you've ever tried connecting with other health economists or getting a quick answer to a question, you know what I'm talking about. YouTube's great for sharing what I know, but it's completely one way, right? I make the videos and you watch them. And yes, I love the comments and DMs, but here's the problem. I get hundreds of messages between LinkedIn and YouTube, and while I'm still aiming to answer all of them, it just takes me too long. So I started thinking, why does it all just have to go through me? What if you guys could just help each other? That's what I built. A Discord community server where HEOR professionals, students, recruiters, academics, everyone can actually talk to each other. Share models, prep for interviews, discuss guidelines, find mentors, and get career advice. No LinkedIn algorithm deciding what you see. No expensive membership fees. Just a space where you can actually connect. So what's in there? The server is split up into 5 categories. A welcome category, which gives you an overview of the server, the rules we follow on the server, and a channel to post announcements. The other 4 categories include Pharma and HEOR discussions, learning and resources, and the YouTube hub, and a space for networking and community. The general Pharma chat is where you can talk about anything industry related. In the economic modeling channel, you can post your Excel files, share R code, ask questions, and troubleshoot stuff together. We've got a channel for books and papers aimed at discussing research and consulting tips if you're already in consulting or trying to break into the industry. For career stuff, there are channels for advice, job postings, and even case studies that people share to help with interview prep. There are also channels for discussing my videos and a place where you can give me feedback or tell me what you want to see next. And we've also got a channel for events and conferences so you can stay in the loop. Oh, and there's also a lounge where you can just, hang out with industry peers. Plus a collaboration channel where you can work on projects together and find like-minded people to partner up with. I'll drop any affiliate offers or limited time stuff there too, so you're not missing out on any good deals. And that's it. Real conversations, real help, and no algorithm. Here's how I see it. If you're serious about HEOR, market access, pharma, biotech, whatever really, you need to be in the rooms where things are actually happening. Not just consuming content. It's all about participating and supporting others. The link's down in the video description. Come and join the Pharma Discord server today.